Kung ang salitang maganda ay beautiful sa Ingles, paano mo naman kaya sasabihin ang magpaganda ka in English? Hello dear YouTubers! Welcome to this YouTube channel, a channel that will provide you a tutorial guide to get at ease in any English conversation. This video will help you find the English equivalent of Filipino words or Tagalog words that we usually find difficult translating into English. So, if you are a Filipino and you have language dilemma of conveying Filipino expressions into English, this is the right video for you. So let's get started. Kung ang salitang maganda ay beautiful sa Ingles, paano mo naman kaya sasabihin ang magpaganda ka in English? So, how do we say magpaganda ka in English? By the way, magpaganda ka is among the common Filipino expressions, and the standard translation for magpaganda ka in English is get yourself beautiful. Again, for the expression magpaganda ka, we do say get yourself beautiful in English. Again, magpaganda ka, in English, get yourself beautiful. Ngunit paano kung ang ibig mo namang sabihin ay magpaganda siya? How do you say this in English? So, for the expression magpaganda siya, we have to say get herself beautiful. Once again, for the expression magpaganda siya, we have to say get herself beautiful. So, my dear English learners, hanggang dito muna po ang ating video for Modest Tutorial Guide for constructing English translations that will guide you to speak English straight on. Bye for now!